Addition, another approach. Children, in today's module, we are going to learn two different methods of addition. The first method is addition by breaking numbers using place value. Let us understand and learn the steps of addition by breaking numbers using place value with the help of given example. 39 plus 45. The two addends 39 and 45 must be regrouped into tens and ones. Now 39 can be written as 30 plus 9 and 45 can be written as 40 plus 9. So 39 plus 45 will be broken down into set of tens and set of ones. The set of tens are 30 plus 40 and the set of ones are 9 ones plus 5 ones. First, we'll add the set of tens, that is 30 plus 40, and then we'll add the set of ones, that is 9 plus 5. So, 30 plus 40 is equal to 70 and 9 plus 5 is equal to 14. So, we write 70 plus 14 in the second step. In the third step, as 70 is already in the tens form, but 14 can still be regrouped as tens and ones. So we write 70 as 70 plus 10 plus 4. In the next step, we add 70 plus 10, which is equal to 80, plus the remaining 1, that is 4. So 80 plus 4 is equal to 84. Now let us revise the steps with one more example. In the given example, 27 plus 42, let us regroup both the addends into tens and ones. Now 27 can be written as 20 plus 7 and 42 can be written as 40 plus 2. 27 plus 42 is equal to or will be broken up into a set of tens and a set of ones. That is, the first set of tens is 20 plus 40 and the set of ones are 7 ones plus 2 ones. In the next step, we add the set of tens, that is 20 plus 40, which is equal to 60, plus the set of ones, 7 plus 2, which is equal to 9. So, 60 plus 9 is equal to 69. Children, let us learn the steps of addition by counting in tens. Let us understand it with the help of the given example. 27 plus 35. In this method, the first addend will be written as it is. So 27 is written as 27. But the second addend 35 will be broken down into tens and ones and will be written as 3 tens plus 5 ones. So in the first step, we write 27 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5 ones. Then in the next step, we add 27 with the first 10, which is equal to 37. 37 is then added with the remaining 2 tens and 5 ones. So we write 37 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5 ones. In the next step again, we add 37 with the 10. The sum that we get is 47, and we add 47 with the last remaining 10 and 5 ones. So we write 47 plus 10 plus 5 ones. We shall continue adding tens until all the tens are added to the numbers. At last, we get 57 plus 5. As we have no more 10 to add, we will eventually get our sum, that is 57 plus 5 is equal to 62. Let us revise the steps with the help of one more example. 53 plus 44. Now, 53 we know can be regrouped as 5 tens and 3 ones. And 44 can be regrouped as 4 tens and 4 ones. But we shall not change 53 and we'll write as it is. But we shall split up 44 into 4 tens and 4 ones. So in the first step, we write 53 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 4. In the second step, we add 53 with the first 10 and we get 63. 63 is added with the remaining 3 tens and 4 ones. So we write 63 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 4. Similarly, we again add 63 plus 10 and we get 73. 73 is added with the remaining 2 tens and 4 ones. And we write 73 plus 10 plus 10 plus 4. In the next step, we again get 83 by adding 73 plus 10. And 83 is added with the last remaining 10 and 4 ones. So we write 83 plus 10 plus 4. After adding 83 with 10, we get 93 and 93 is added to 4. We have no more 10 to add. So ultimately, we'll get our answer or the sum. That is 93 plus 4 is equal to 97. I hope children you have understood the steps of addition in 2 different methods. That's all children. Thank you very much.